Guys, we are in South Africa. Finally, we have arrived at our destination. My bag is still there. I haven't even like checked my bag out here, and I'm checking everything. Yes, so we have arrived in South Africa, Cape Town. So my Uber driver is just leaving, and that is my apartment. I have to do self-checking. They give me a code to punch, so that's what I'm gonna do now. And I'm here. Let me show you my area where I'm gonna lodge. See? Yeah, that's my lodging place. So now I'm going to do a self-check-in. They sent me a message. Oh, come out. How I'm going to check in. They give me a code to punch. So let's do that. As I punch, the gates open. So like, whoa, let's go. And then I'm going to follow another instruction again to open another gate. Go get my key somewhere in the box. The check-in process is self-check-in and a whole lot. So I have to punch in. Okay, and that is my key. Hey, come out. So I finally got the key. It took me like 10 hours to get the key. It was locked somewhere and I have my nails pointed like something. Oh yeah, it has really stressed me. So let's go. Another process again. Tired. It says I should take my first left. Self-check-in. Okay, CCTV. They were watching me. I should take my first left and then walk all the way there. Follow the courtyard to the end and then take my right. So my right, another information, it says what? Oh, I'm tired. Take your right. Follow the courtyard to the end and turn right. Take the stairs to the first floor. Okay, so finally I'm here. Guys, you're going to start the tour right away. So just take notes. Whoa. Okay. So finally, when you enter, this is the kitchen. So let's do the tour right away. In the kitchen, you have your freezer. Dispenser here, Hisense. Oh, they have Hisense too. Hisense. Open the fridge. Oh, it's already on. You have your microwave. Microwave too is already on. Your cooking stove. And then toaster. I have everything there. What again? Okay, so this is the kitchen area. You have your washing machine. It's here, and the kitchen view. So your sink, you're gonna see the whole building outside in your kitchen. Got it. Okay, they have some, what is it, coffee, sugar, other stuff here. Let me check if they have some bag of rice for me. No, they don't. So bad. So straight. Yeah, they have some. Okay, wow, not bad. Straight like that, you get to your wardrobe. The wardrobe is locked. Wow, do I have to open with another key? I think that one to be in the instruction. So your wardrobe is here, like just the kitchen like that. You just walk like that. The wardrobe is here, and then like that. Oh, this whole wardrobe is for me. Okay, that one is locked for a reason because there are lots of wardrobes here. Hair dryer, what do you call? Insecticide spray, iron. Oh, okay, whole cleaning and something board. What is here? Okay, this is the bathroom. You come to the bathroom. Okay, so the bathroom is like this. 2 towels and then 1 face towel. So this is it. And right from your bathroom, you just come to a whole full mirror that you're gonna see your whole body. The whole place is the mirror. And another wardrobe again. How many wardrobes? They have another towel, tea rolls, toilet papers. Okay. Okay. Then from here, that is your bedroom. The bedroom is here. Okay, so let me just put my bag down and do a proper tour in the bedroom. Okay. So that is it. Are those books? Yeah, books and some other stuff. Let's first talk about the table, maybe dining table, something like that. And a full mirror. Guys, I'm here. I made it to Cape Town. I just arrived. Okay. Guys, watch Cape Town, South Africa. Okay, let's do the living. Maybe the living room. So it's your couch. Very beautiful. I can sit down here and do some live and sit down videos. Whoa. Wow. You're so beautiful. So nice. How much does it cost? I've forgotten. Okay, I'll just put it in the description below. I'll just check and then tell you guys, okay? I don't have Wi-Fi to go online to check the price right now. So it's 4 nights, yeah, 3 days. I'm gonna live here for 4 nights, 3 days. Then we come to the bed. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That is my bed. That is my bed. My bed. So that is the bed. Here you have your mirror here. And so white, so white. So white. The window. You can see, wow, the mountain. You gotta see that. It's a very nice apartment. A whole bunch of white guys living here. So this whole is part of a 16 Serenity Dolphin Bay. So Dolphin Bay. And everything is, so this is how the floor is. That is the floor. And what do you have here? Okay, I don't know. Wi-Fi. Okay, the Wi-Fi is working. You have a Wi-Fi here. Yeah, you have a Wi-Fi to yourself. Your television. Your glass window that you can see outside. That's the stadium. See the stadium? Where is it? Can you? Wait, okay. Sorry, I was showing. Okay, let me zoom in. Maybe you can see a bit. So that is the stadium where they have the African Cup. That is the stadium. And at your backyard from the window view, you see some cars passing by. Wow, a very nice apartment. And yeah, so nice and beautiful. So this is your view from your room. Here's my room. Okay. The chairs, they are made with skins. Yeah. Table. Welcome. Hi there. Welcome. It says hi there. Welcome and thank you for booking your stay with 16 Delphine Bay. I'm glad you've arrived safely and I hope you love your time in the cozy condo. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you need anything at all. Thanks again and have a great stay. Love, Rosie. Thank you. Okay, so that is it. Of course, some staffs, you have a telephone here. I don't know who you're going to call. Okay, it says don't hesitate to call, so maybe. And then the light, I forgot to turn the lights on. And also there is a gate right here in the kitchen on your left here. I don't know where it leads to. Okay, sorry. It's the power and all that. So the lighting. I can't see AC here, air condition here. Okay, another light, so you have to turn on the lights here, okay. The light is on and the light is on here in the walkway. So the fan here is very cold. That's the fan. Okay. So I just found out that their plugs are different. It's like the ones that they use in the French countries. They are different. I'm dead. And mine is 3 pins. Theirs is 2 pins. My 2 pins socket extension, something like that, I left it in Burkina Faso. I forgot to get another one because I know I'm coming here, so no need for. I didn't know they have different sockets. Now I don't know what to do. I told you I have a Ghanaian friend here who is gonna take me around, so I have to wait for him to come because I can't charge any. Okay, I've seen some 3 something here. I guess I'm gonna make use. Hey, I think it's the 3 one. That's actually the 2. What am I doing? I don't know. So I'll just contact him that this is what is happening here. So he should help me out. Okay, so right now I'm gonna share with you how much I got this apartment for 4 nights stay, 4 nights 3 days in Cape Town. I booked it on booking.com. The name of the apartment is 16 Serenity Delphine Bay. So I'll put the link of this apartment in the description. I booked it on booking.com, so you can try it. I booked it way before coming, and I paid 3,861 South African rand for 4 nights. So I don't know how I paid for it a night. So I just for 4 nights, and it's one person 4 nights, 3,861. On booking.com, if you want to book like 2 guests, sometimes the prices varies and all that. So this is mine and how much I paid for, and 3,861 South African rand. In when you take it to cedis, it's how much? 3,249 cedis. 3,249 cedis, and in dollars it is 209 as at now, because I'm using as at now rate, and the converter that I have is $209.61. So That's how much I'm paying for this apartment. My accommodation in South Africa is fully sponsored by a subscriber, a Ghanaian based in Netherlands. I know him as Papa Kwesi. Thank you so much. He mostly don't comment on my videos or anything, but he just came into my WhatsApp and be like, okay, I'll sponsor you this. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you so much, Papa Kwesi, for this. I've not seen him before. I don't know him. I never knew him. He don't know me or anything, but he was like, I'll sponsor you because you're doing a very good work, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So guys, if you are here watching this video for your first time or like seeing this video, I'm doing 5 countries in one trip: South Africa, Lesotho, Eswatini, Mozambique, and then Zimbabwe. And let me tell you, I have emptied my account for this, so just watch the video, share as well if you love this apartment. It's not sponsored, no one is sponsoring me to do it. I just like love the place and I feel like sharing, and as part of my job as a content creator, to share. I'm a full-time content creator. I don't do any other job aside this. So guys, keep watching the videos, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If any question, you leave it in the comment section below. You just check in. It's self check-in. They will send you information 2 days to my trip. They sent me anything, all information, location, everything on the on WhatsApp. Follow the instructions and then you get here some security codes. They give you everything. And how I got here from the airport, through booking.com, I booked my taxi. I booked a ride to come and pick me here. It was like 12 euros. When you take it to cities and take it to dollars, you know. So 12 euros 51 coins, and the 12.51 euros that the taxi came to get me at the airport and then brought me here right direct. So when you book your apartment and you book the same, you book your apartment and book your airport pickup, they know exactly where they are taking you to. So it's like a kind of link. I mean, I didn't know here, I just sat in the car and they brought me here. So I'm talking too much. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, anything in the comment section below. I love you all so much. So we are in South Africa, guys. Let's get to 50k and more money as well, so that I can do more trips. Love you. Keep watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Check my previous video how I go here and the upcoming ones. Until meet again, is a girl with Kimara. I love you and bye.